It's a day in a life with a furniture refinisher. I got the final touches on this tall boy makeover that I did done before bed last night. So while I sipped my coffee, I got that set up and then took the dog for a walk, repping my Crocs, as you know. And we went and found a trail today to do a longer walk because I needed this dog nice and tired and quiet for my day ahead. It's also just so much more grounding and quiet and enjoyable to walk on a trail than in neighborhoods with cars and dogs and people and stuff. I just love the quietness of nature. Like I set out to do, he was nice and tired after that, which was great, so I put together a breakfast. This is my high-protein yogurt parfait. I recently posted a video with the recipe, or like how I make it. And then as I ate that, I sat down with my super cute rat tail and did some clerical administrative work. It was the first day of my Furniture Refinishers boot camp, so I went into the Facebook group and got caught up on the intro posts that people had done the day before, got to know some people, and I prepped some posts with the Zoom links and stuff and pre-scheduled it out. It's such a great, awesome, motivated group of people who are excited about starting their side hustle, selling their refinished furniture, so I am so excited to see what comes from this boot camp. Then I washed my face and did some skincare. And then once that had sunken in, I went up to my makeup room and put on my face. I was also blasting my playlist, getting all pumped up and excited for the boot camp. I low-key love putting on makeup because it's such a good way to just get into the zone and just think about the things that you have planned ahead for the day. And I don't know, it's just similar to furniture refinishing, I guess. I just really get into the zone and get into a state of flow, and I just know what next step I'm doing, so I don't have to think about it, and I can just let my mind wander, which is nice. Once that was done, I got my setup all ready for the boot camp. Hell yeah, so excited! I didn't film the session on my phone because I needed to use it for a time checker, but it went great. Then I came back to my makeup room and sat down and got the slides for the training session tomorrow ready, where we're going to be talking about getting official and registering your furniture refinishing side hustle. This is what I was sipping on. That's fueling me. I get them from Costco. Loving them. Zero sugar. Energy drinks. I know I'm not supposed to drink them, but I love them. And then while I was here, I prepped a bunch of TikTok content with some easy beginner tips for doing furniture makeovers. Then I went downstairs and took some photos of that tall boy dresser so that I could get it posted for sale. Just some quick tips. You can see I moved the things out of the way in the background so it was nice and clear. I like to use the square feature on the camera so it kind of removes any excess on the top or bottom of stuff that you don't need to see. It just really focuses the view. Getting photos of the side of the drawers, the inside of the drawers, trying to get things from all angles so people can really see what condition it's in, rub off any dust there may be. I also like to reset the camera by blocking it and then having it come back into focus so there's good brightness or lighting happening. Getting a whole bunch of different angles. I don't know, you just gotta switch it up. Some nice photos for the gram. I don't know. Then had to go wake up the little rascal who was being so good and quiet, napping while I worked. We went upstairs and he brought his little Boney with him, showing that off, getting some good pets. Yukon's now 7 months old officially. He's 76 pounds. He is a huge motherfucker and I love him so much. And then before posting that dresser on Facebook Marketplace, I put away the dishes and cleaned up the kitchen so it was in a good state to get it dirty again to make dinner.